strategic effort, and play roles in enforcement policies among civil society so effectively. We explore institution building options, share information, and reach new conclusions on special topics of great interest to policy makers throughout the world. Against the backdrop of current terrorist attacks, we strongly condemn this resulting in significant numbers of civilian kills or injured. So of course, as the regional financial intelligence community, we should be at the forefront in fighting against terrorists and terrorist financing. And first of all, in proclaiming loud and clear that terrorists can never be accepted or justified in any cause whatsoever. As a result of the fruitful dialogue, we have discussed all the issues on the agenda and have approved a new commitment on counter-terrorism financing within the region through Nusa Dua statement have been read by Mr. Paul Joktovic. The statement acknowledged the progress that the commitment made in strengthening domestic legal and regulatory framework of counter-terrorist financing policies. It also emphasized that government cannot work alone to protect financial system and regional security from terrorists and its finances. But on the other hand, we should enhance the international collaboration with private sector, international organization, civil society, academia, and independent think tank, instituted by devising and adopting effective measures to prevent and combat terrorist financing crimes. Ladies and gentlemen, also, we commit to promote stronger partnership and innovation in countering terrorist financing by addressing several values declared in the statement, such as implementing the regional risk assessment, strengthening regional cooperation, establishing a community outside consultative group with its aim and raising regional community awareness to prevent terrorist and terrorist financing in Southeast Asia and Australia. I believe that the agreement achieved will become the firm basis for the continuation of our robust cooperation. In conclusion, again, please allow me to thank you for the extensive and beneficial work that you have devoted these days to. I hope that you had the time not just to meet and exchange opinion on your work in the development of countermeasures, but also to feel the beauty of Nusa Dua, Bali, to feel the beauty of an island that all the citizens of my country are proud. To feel the beauty of Indonesia, I would like to extend my gratitude for finding the opportunity to come to Bali and choosing this as the place for your meeting. My special thank you to our distinguished partner, Austrac, in co-hosting in his outstanding event with remarkable effort and hospitality. I deeply apologize to any inconvenience that you might have during the summit. I wish the best of luck for us and look forward to seeing you all in the next summit. Whatever you have come from near so far, I wish you a safe journey home and success from all my heart. Also, please extend our best wishes to your family. Last but not least, I, my friend Paul Joktovic, and all of us, really thank you for Malaysia being the host for the next summit. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention and till meet again in Kuala Lumpur.